Oh, whew. Bird just tried to get my lure. Get away, go away, go. No, 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 no. Trying the hidden spook lure this time. Hidden spook. Not the junior one, but the regular one. Oh, no, no, no. Bird just tried to get my lure. Get away, go away, go. No, 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 no. Bird, go away. No, no, no. Bird. Ah. He actually hit it. That was close. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Well, that must look real. He's no, 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 no. Ah. Gulls are wanting to lure pretty bad. It must be working pretty well. He's coming right up here. There's a shad that's jumping up on top. They just keep circling. Ah. Oh. And a bass jumping after him. Come on, bass. Not you fish. Get away. No. He's trying. Ah. Go. Trying another, I don't know if even I'm trying another spot. They're still gonna go after it. Yep. Looks like it. Getting close. Well, one thing's for sure, the head spook attracts the birds. I'm afraid to throw out there. Ah. Let me just not move. Nope, still going after it. Ah! No! Scare the bass away. Scare the fish away, those birds are. This must have looked too much like the real thing. It's fooling the birds. Okay, they're moving to another part of the lake. Try to make another cast real quick. I had a crane one time go after a topwater, but not like as aggressive as these birds. Whew. I mean, he's had his claws on the lure, and he's circling around again. Get away. He's trying again. No.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love to go on fishing adventures. Bass, catfish, crappie, bluegill, walleye, muskie, stripers. Bring it on! I love to fish.